What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we got a pair of Air Max 90s that I scooped up from the thrift store. I was there with my boy, so when we came across these in his size, I decided it'd be a good shoe to give a restoration on. And for only 15 bucks, how could I say no? So the first step is to unlace the shoe to properly clean the entire thing. Now what I'm doing here is spraying the shoe down with a diluted mixture of my sneaker cleaner. I'm doing this because, well shit, y'all see how dirty it is. When working with large shoe sizes, most shoe trees will not fit them. So what I do is I put a paint jar behind them so they'll actually put some bend in the spring. If you don't, the shoe tree is not going to work and it's going to be useless. Now onto giving the shoe a deep clean. Usually y'all will see me start with the soft brush, but here I'm using the medium brush on just the midsoles and the leather. For the delicate material, I usually use a soft bristle brush. When the shoe is as dirty as this, you really want to brush it for a good amount of time to pick up as much dirt as possible. When cleaning the soles, I like to use a hard bristle brush. Also, right now would probably be a good time to pick out the gum, but as y'all gonna see, I'll do that later. Now that the shoe is thoroughly clean, it's time to throw them in the washer. Whoops, forgot to clean the laces and the insole. Cleaning the laces is pretty easy, just dip them in your solution and rub it between your hands. When cleaning insoles, I like to use a soft brush on the top and a medium brush on the bottoms. I like to clean the bottoms of it because I just think that's where all the stank is hidden in. I mean, I could be wrong, but it doesn't hurt to clean it. Alright, now that everything is cleaned out, it's time to put these in some laundry bags and throw them in the washer. So now that the shoes are clean, they are ready to look 10 times better. Off camera, I actually put them through the wash 2 more times just to get the results I wanted. Now it's time to prep the soles before icing them. What I'm doing to prep these soles is pretty simple. I'm getting cotton balls and acetone to wipe off as much dirt or gum in this occasion as I can. Now that the soles are prepped, it's time to apply Salon Care 40 to the soles and any rubber parts on the uppers. After applying the sauce, you'll need to put saran wrap on them to prevent the sauce from drying out too fast. If you have any yellowing tabs on the uppers, you'll want to apply sauce to those too. For me, I have a light box and the light will hit the shoe on all sides instead of just hitting them on one like placing them in the sun would. Once all the sauce is covered, it's time to put them in my light box. Now that all the tabs are back to white, it's time to tackle all the stain spots on the uppers and the cracking paint on the midsoles. To do that, I'm going to prep the shoes with acetone cotton balls. Now that the midsoles and uppers are prepped, it's time to tape off everything that we don't want paint on. After everything is taped up, I like to spread the shoe down with some Bulldog adhesion promoter. Once the adhesion promoter dries, it's time to give the shoe a new layer of paint. Oh, and there is a hole in my tape job, but I ain't gonna tape it up. I just tuck the tongue inside the toe box and it won't get paint on it. So when repainting anything white, I like starting my first layer with a paintbrush. Since paintbrushes lay down thicker layers of paint, using one first would help cover up some small pores on the midsoles and some small blemishes on the uppers. Now after laying down the first layer, I'm going to use the airbrush to finish painting the shoe. Now for the last step, I'm gonna spray the shoes down with some matte finisher to protect the paint. So yeah, here's the finished product. You know, the first step we did was give the shoe a deep clean that took out all the dirt out of the mesh, the liner, the tongue, the laces, and whatever. And the next step, we iced out the tabs, so that was the one around the sides and the back, and we even iced out the bottoms. And last but not least, we gave the uppers and the midsoles a brand new coat of paint, so the shoe looks pretty much brand new. Now let's take it over to the customer and see how he reacted to it. Wow, all right. Damn, am I making a cameo in my own channel? I haven't showed them my face. Well, shit. I'm Michael, and then this is the customer.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, recording. Oh shit. Okay.
Nice. When asked,
I mean, you can cut it out.
You can't. Look.
You can cut it out.
All right, so I have the shoes in my box, and then this is his first time seeing the shoe.
Yup. Ever since I bought them.
All right, so. Bitch, you don't have a shoebox.
Oh. Oh shit, bro.
Look, I told him don't do no food like weird, no weird fucking
I don't
reactions.
know what you want me to do.
Just be normal.
I am normal, damn.
Okay.
I am, damn. These are fucking. It's weird because we're recording it though. Oh, it's fine, but
you're being weird.
Damn, these are clean.
They're clean. Like
they're clean.
Whatever. 1 out of 10. How were they before?
1 out of 10 before?
Yeah.
Like they were 3.
They're 3. What are they?
3.
Put the little lid down.
God damn.
Oh, I mean, it's kind of blown out. Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Look at that.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Like so what do you say they are now?
It's a good 8 or 9.
8 or 9 out of 10. I could fuck with that.
8 or 9. Shit. You did good though.
Shit. All right, yeah, so that's the end of the video. Subscribe or like whatever you want. If you don't want to, I don't care. So here's the final the final product. Have a good day.